In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the followers option on Facebook. By the end, you'll have the follow button visible on your profile so people can follow your public updates without needing to be your friend. First, open the Facebook app on your device and sign into your account. Make sure you're using your personal profile, not a page, since these settings apply to individual profiles. If anything looks different on your screen, don't worry. Labels sometimes vary slightly between app versions, but the path is the same. Next, go to your settings. Tap the three horizontal lines, the menu icon in the corner of the app. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This is where you control who can see and interact with your content. Before turning on followers, adjust your friend request settings. Scroll to the section called Audience and Visibility and tap How People Find and Contact You. Open Who Can Send You Friend Requests and change it from Everyone to Friends of Friends. This step helps reduce random friend requests and encourages people who don't know you personally to follow you instead. When that's set, go back to the audience and visibility section. Now enable the followers feature. Tap followers and public content. Under who can follow me, select public. This tells Facebook that anyone can follow your public posts. Then set post notifications to everyone so followers can opt in to get alerts when you post publicly. Also change public profile info to public so basic details you choose to share, like your profile photo and cover photo, can be seen by followers. This doesn't make everything public by default. It only applies to information and posts you mark as public. To confirm it's working, return to your Facebook profile. Tap the three dots on the right side of your profile and select View As. This shows how your profile looks to someone who isn't your friend. You should now see the follow button and your followers count displayed. If you don't, revisit the settings you just changed and make sure each option is saved. That's it. Your profile now has the followers option activated. People who aren't connected to you can follow your public updates, while your personal posts can still remain visible only to friends. Remember, you control the audience of each post when you publish, so choose public for updates you want your followers to see and friends for private moments. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly streamlined Facebook presence.